So your car cranks but won't start. Could come down to just 3 things. Let's get at it. First, fuel. Now you want to put your car in ACC mode. Now if you're old school and have a key, it's just one click. If the push button start, it's one quick push of the button. As soon as you put your vehicle into ACC mode, you want to listen for a hum coming from the back of your vehicle. You don't hear anything, could be a bad fuel pump, relay, or fuse. Next, spark. It's what ignites the air-fuel mixture in an engine's combustion chamber. Without spark, the fuel won't burn and the engine won't start. And lastly, air. Check your air filter. You'd be surprised how many people neglect this for years on end. You also want to look for any blockages or leaks that you see throughout the system. Our issue, this little guy right here, the fuel pump relay. Now I pulled it on purpose so I could mimic the CrankNoStart issue, but it could be something as simple as this. Fuel, spark, air. If you have any questions, comment below.